Here we are by the windmills but hindi namin masyadong kita. So kaya picture ng konti dito, and we're going to Banshoten Village, the fisherman village. So come and join us. Now here we are. This is the fisherman village here in the Netherlands. As you see here even a statue of the fisherman at yan mga bangka, the boat for the fishermen. That's what they use here in the Netherlands. So this is how it's look. The fisherman's boat in the Netherlands, it's so matibay. Kita nyo mukhang antitibay niya. So ayan ang fisherman statue here. Sa Pritil kami nila kumbaga. Yeah, this is the fisherman village. So kaso it's Saturday at wala naman nangingisda. It's a weekend. So kaya as you see, dito post na lang kami ang picture here by all the boats here by the fisherman village. Ang dami-daming boat, grabe. And they have a lot also of restaurants here, so we will have a look for a restaurant in the surrounding. Yeah, as you see, look, it's really a Pritil nila. Ang ganda ng Pritil nila. It's not like our Pritil in the Philippines. Kita mo ang ganda ng kanilang Pritil. So ito yung Pritil nila.
A few moments later.
So we look for food. Ayan, we eat here in a Japanese restaurant, but we eat in the Indonesian food actually in the Japanese restaurant. But it's nice and yummy. Look, yummy. O diba? So satay and babi pangan as the Indonesian food. Inabot kami ng gabi. So eto na yung gabi sa Fisherman Village. At like Christmas, may mga ilaw ang puno dito for Christmas. At ayan ang bangka nila sa gabi. So thank you so much guys for watching. So this is the Fisherman Village in the Netherlands, Banshoten. Kaapelyido ni my love, my Banshoten. O diba?